has your own judgment.
Exactly, sir.
Especially, halimbawa, dito sa mga drug pushers na pinawalan. Ikaw ba rin ang pumirma yan? Siyempre, ikaw.
Exactly, sir. That's why I stopped the process of release of PDL Sanchez, because I believe he is not entitled.
You were
to GCPA.
appointed by the president known for his battle against drugs, for his war against drugs. You were appointed as Customs Commissioner. Then you were appointed as Undersecretary do sa Civil Defense ba yun? And then you were appointed another opportunity for you to run the Bureau of Prisons. In spite of your record na hindi ka nag-a-abide, doon sa kudeta ka, tumakas ka, nung hinuhuli ka, yan ang record mo. Ang laki ng tiwala sa iyo ng Pangulong Duterte. Hindi ba tumalikod ka sa tiwala sa iyo ni President Duterte na papalayain mo itong mga drug pushers na ito? Papadala mo sa immigration, ikaw ang pumirma? Kahit na sabihin mo parang nangungusulto ka, the buck stops with you.
Yes, Your Honor. I would appreciate if I would have a discretion to not follow the rules. But as we look at the data, sir, since 2004 up to 2016, there are already 105 drug pushers that were released to GCPA.
But that is your call, hindi ba? Lahat yan dumaan sa iyo.